Now when you pour a beer, whether it be out of a bottle or a draft beer, it's important to pour it with a collar of foam every time, about an inch of foam. That foam is the release of gas, carbon dioxide. And when you release that gas, you also release flavors and aromas that make the beer smell and taste better. But when you release that gas, you also allow that beer to be more drinkable. Because if you ingest too much gas, you're going to get bloated and you're going to fill up pretty quickly. Now, imagine these two glasses right here. These are not glasses. These are customers sitting at the end of your bar. One customer refuses to have any foam on his beer because he thinks, if I don't have any foam, I can get more beer. The other one knows the importance of that collar of foam, knowing that the beer is going to smell better and it's going to taste better, and he can actually drink and eat a lot more food and different beverages because he's not as full on gas. Now, you all sell, as servers, food, and you sell beer, and you sell different drinks. You don't sell gas. So you want to make sure that the things that your customers are filling up on are things that you can make a bigger tip off of. So this person right here gets his beer, and it goes into his stomach just like this. There's no release of gas, and his stomach is filling up, and he's going to leave a little bit of room in his stomach because we want to have some sort of snack or an appetizer or a dessert. Now this person over here knows the importance of releasing that CO2, so he pours it right down the middle. That carbon dioxide releases, generates that nice collar of foam. So that is what the beer looks like in our stomachs. The food comes along. And as soon as we take a bite of food, whether it be a chicken wing or a hamburger or a French fry, we chew it up and it drops down into our stomach where this beer is sitting. So imagine this is your first bite of food and it drops in just like that. This person is okay. He still has some room in his stomach. He's ready for another bite of food, perhaps another drink order. This person takes his first bite of food and it goes in, and what happens? All of those gases that we trapped inside the beer begin to expand and they release inside of us. And that causes us to bloat and feel full, which means we're not going to order another drink, we're not going to order a dessert, and we're not going to have a bigger check to give you guys a bigger tip. So make sure that when you're serving a beer, you pour it with that collar of foam, release the gas, it's more enjoyable, and there's more money in your pockets.